Rack and pinion, oil leak. So we pull down the rack and pinion. We initially dismantle the mounting of front differential. Okay. So oil leak of our rack and pinion because the steering gear rack was rusty. That's why the oil seal worn out. We have to replace the oil seal and the repair kit, and this one we have to make sandpaper, the 1000 number 1000, so that we can do smooth. Okay.